Loveless. I'm coming to you with a review video. This video is brought to you by Vogcrest and our friends over at Tomoson. Thank you so much, Vogcrest and Tomoson, for choosing me to review your facial spa kit. And this is a facial brush. This is a 3-in-1 facial brush, waterproof design. So yeah, this can be found on Amazon. All these will be down below in the description box. It retails for $25 on Amazon.com. Shipping was super fast. As you lovies know, I am an Amazon Prime member. So it's definitely worth paying $13 a month for 2-day shipping. Guaranteed 2-day shipping. Some items do come to me sometimes within 1 day. So yeah. So the facial products that I'm going to be using with testing out this facial brush is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Cloud Cream Cleanser. And I think I've already featured this on my channel before, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I got glitter in my hair because I did do a I did a makeup look yesterday. That will be posted, I'm sure, probably before this video, maybe, or either after this video. So it's going to be either before or after. You lovies will see that makeup look. Welcome to all my new lovies. I see that I do have some new lovies. If you're watching and you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button in the right hand corner of your screen. So, and also hit that bell so you won't miss a video upload from me. When I hit 2,000, I'm still trying to hit 2,000 lovies. We're not that far from it. I will be having another giveaway. I just now had a huge birthday giveaway, and I want to have another one when I hit 2K. So please hit that subscribe button, y'all. So, okay. Let's have a overall 5-star rating on Amazon.com. And that is out of 34 people who have used and reviewed this brush. I think this is the soft hair brush right here. And it looks like that. That is the soft hair brush. Then we have the normal hair brush. The soft hair brush and the normal hair brush look pretty similar, except for one is shorter than the other. As far as texture wise, I really can't tell the difference. And then we have the massage head right here. As far as the wand itself, we have what's called the plating ring right here, the rotating shaft right there. Then this is your indicator, your LED light indicator, and your on and off button. Sorry, my phone didn't trying to slide. Okay, but your on and off button right here, and this does turn blue. And it has 3 settings on it, which I love, because usually the brushes that I've received only have 2 settings. So, and I like for my brushes to like go and really that I know that I'm getting my skin clean. So here, of course, is the handle. Right here is a charging port, and I take it that the charger is beneath all of this. Sorry for the noise, y'all. I'm trying to squeeze this out of here with my nails. Yes, the charger port is right here. So thank God this does not use batteries. So, and you just stick that into, I think, one of your USB plugs and get it going. So that's awesome. I'm glad it does not use batteries. So the first thing I'm going to start doing is apply water to my face. Well, basically now you're going to see me just test this product out, and then I will come back in and tell you my thoughts.
Any man let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a boss in a the thing so. Girl pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you dey mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They're pretty about them. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you dey mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding at the thing so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine.
Okay, so my opinion about the Vogcrest brush. It is amazing. My favorite brush head would have to be the massage one. It felt awesome on my skin as I was rolling it around on my skin. As you can see, the white towel has nothing on it, which this really cleaned my skin off very well. I love that it has A++ for me is that the fact that it does have a charger where you're able to charge it. You don't have to use batteries. And also that it has 3 settings. Those are my favorite things as far as this brush is concerned. My only thing I would say is I wish it had more of a harder brush, just included one harder brush. Other than that, I have nothing bad to say in reference to this brush. I love it. I do highly recommend it. If you're looking for a great brush that does not work by batteries, definitely check out the Vogcrest 3-in-1 spa kit. I will leave all information down below. And like I said, thank you so much, Tomoson and Vogcrest, for sending me this to review. I thank you, lovers, for joining me. Hope you all have a wonderful and blessed and safe Saturday and Memorial Day weekend. Talk to y'all later.